Kerenyo Jeremia Ongaro nyawigoyo Nyansiongo Jackson Mugusu no nyama ya Christopher Usiemo nigo bono batia ni gwalitikoria rero ase ebunge ye county ya Nyamira na gochaka emirimo ya bori muri okaba kwanekerekyo nigo bono barure bose barire eira inga nigo barachie kwenekia obokoreri obuya gochia asabamenye be county eyo ya Nyamira.
I, Jackson Mugusu Mutumbe, do swear solemnly affirm that I shall always, truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly.
I, Jeremia Njenga Ongaro, I do swear solemnly affirm that I shall always, truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly.
I, Honorable Christopher Usiemo, do swear solemnly affirm that I shall always, truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of County Assembly, member of Nyamira Ward.
I'm afraid that they must confirm I was their bona fide MCA. I sincerely thank the people of Nyansiongo and thank the people of Nyamira for confirming and affirming the confidence that I am really their MCA. In that regard, and cognizant to the fact of the role of an MCA, I want to affirm that I adhere to the Constitution.
My dead brother, Honorable Usiemo, by continuing with the legacy, the good legacy he left. I'm here to unite the people of Nyamira County Assembly. We want to work together as a team. I don't want to isolate myself. I want to interact with my fellow MCAs.
That we have come from a battlefield and here we are. Many of you who had time and grace to take a rosary, to say a grace for us, we thank you very much. We thank you, here we are, and we need to work. We need to work. When a speaker, you know, I'm taking all from you, and as I'm taking all from you, I think there are some areas you tell me where to do and what to do.